Welcome to Jack Tar's Journeys. Today I'm going to have a go at making a threshold strip from vinyl to carpet. I've got a piece of old hardwood architrave I'm going to try and rip down and use that. Let's go and take a look. So that's where I'm going to put it. I've got a little metal strip there. It's not working right, difficult to fix down, and it was in here when we got here, so I'm going to change it, messing about, and I'll show you what I'm going to use. So this is the hardwood architrave. It's already got a chamfer on one edge. I'm just going to chamfer the other side. I may take it down a bit more, might even take these bottom lugs off, and then we'll just fix it down over it, sand it off, and varnish it. Let's get the planer out and have a go on that. Right, let's crack on. So I'm going to use this bench plane I've got, and before you say, I know there's no guard on it. For some reason the guard wasn't with it when I got it, and I will be making one probably in a future video, so it's going to be a case of do it and be careful. I'm going to do this basically bit by bit, by eye really. I'm going to do it till it looks just about right, and then I may shape it by hand just for the last bit with a block plane, and then I'll give it a sanding over. So let's crack on and give it a go. I will turn this off while I'm doing it because it makes a hell of a racket. Don't forget your PPE. So I've basically shot that down now. And what I'm going to do is run a little block plane over it, clean it up. Then I'll get the sander out, give it a good sand and get rid of the paint. Right, let's crack on with that. So just using a standard electric plane, you can achieve the same results. Taking about 1 millimetre off a time. So after a bit of fettling and sanding, there's our beech threshold strip or transition strip. What I might do is take both of these, because it's going on a carpet, I don't need it to be so high, so I'll quickly plane both of those off as well. And there we have one. So all we're going to do now is drill, I would say only 3. You can either put 3 or 4 in there, 3 or 4 holes, and fix them down, varnish them. Job done. That's the transition strip fitted, and what I use to get the holes on the carpet is one of these Marksman markers. Simple really. It's frank. You put your piece in situ, hold it over your hole, push it, and I've already done these, and what it does, it leaves you a dot. So I've used a 6mm masonry bit, and basically you put it on. So then all I do is put a red raw plug in into the hole I've just drilled, which is just there. There he is, he's gone in, he's in, and then I'll drill the other 3 out and fix that one. So I'll put my driver bit back on to my cordless. I'm just going to put the other plugs in, and away we go. Right, let's get this one fixed in. good and tight. That's 2 in. Let's get this other pair in, and that'll be us done. There he is, fixed, fitted, done. All I've got to do now, I'll either cap them tops or I might get some wood filler on them and just fill over them. But that's them done. There's the other one, and the other one with Frank. So that's 4 of them out of a couple of lengths of architrave. Job done. So to finish it off, I've got one of these little wax sticks, and I've filled it with that. So I've filled all the screw holes with the wax. It wasn't thick enough for me to use a plug, so that's why I've used this. And the other thing is, should you wish to change your carpet and the vinyl or whatever, it's just hook that out and unscrew it. Quite simple. Anyway, thanks very much for watching.